27. A letter to a sleepy friend. Some letters I never answer. With hundreds of letters to answer every month, it is impossible to answer them all. Moreover, writing to some people is like trying to talk to a sleepy friend. He listens out of politeness, but he is more asleep than awake. Some people are too sleepy to talk to. I was amazed last night to hear a farmer say that Chavez was no problem and that everybody is always exaggerating everything. Let the farm workers be organized by Chavez. The government won't let them ruin the farmers, he maintained. Back to this friend. As far as he is concerned, everything is wonderful. So we have hippies. Well, his children are not going to go that way. Crime in the street and growing lawlessness? He hasn't been bothered, so why worry? Do we have bombings and riots? The world always has crackpots. Nothing bothers him much, unless it is that tire that blew out on a back road. Changing it, he lost his temper, dirtied his suit and was late. To hear him talk, the manufacturers were plotting against him. You see, nothing much bothers him, unless it affects him. Then he blows his stack. There's an old-fashioned word for this frame of mind, and it is sin. Everything is fine until his ox is gored. Such people are asleep to everything except their own selfish interests. Let them sleep. The best letter to a sleepy friend who wants nothing except sleep is no letter at all. None are so blind as they who will not see. Our Lord advised us against wasting our time with such people. Give not that which is holy unto the dogs, neither cast ye your pearls before swine, lest they trample them under foot and turn again and rend you. Matthew 7:6. In a world with so many ready to hear, why waste words on the willfully deaf? Christ's words are against such a waste of words. And where no one welcomes you or listens to your message, leave that house or town and shake the dust off your feet. Matthew 10:14, Berkeley version. Do you get the message? Our Lord said, in effect, work where it counts, where you are likely to get results. Christ, as Lord of the harvest, wants results. We had better think realistically then about redeeming the time, using it wisely unto the Lord. There will be a strict accounting before the Lord.